Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for 2021. Yes, friends, this is a charms reading for 2021. How your 2021 will be for Aquarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, this reading is for you. If you know an Aquarius, you can cross watch this reading, friends. I'm doing it early so you can prepare for the year right now and get some boost. This will be a charms reading, yes, friends. So make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com and make sure to subscribe, like, and share so you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month. One lucky random winner will be selected for a free reading. So, yay! Subscribe, like, and share. So, I will be pulling some messages from Archangel Michael also and charms at the end. So, let's see what's the theme of the year for Aquarius for 2021. Let's see, I'm super excited. I hope it is a best or a better year rather than, this year. I really, really pray 2021 is the best for every one of us and for the planet Earth. Whew. We are moving into Aquarius age because Saturn, Jupiter, every planet will be moving in Aquarius. Yay! So Aquarius, that's why I'm starting this readings of 2021 with Aquarius. And yes, as you all know, I'm also an Aquarius. So woohoo, I'm excited. Let's see the theme of the year 2021 for Aquarius. Theme of the month, angels, for Aquarius for 2021. Wow, Ace of Cups. That's good. Aquarius, that's amazing actually. You are focusing on love, self-love, fulfillment, happiness. Oh my god, it's a new start for you, a spiritual awakening for you, Aquarius. It is also like you standing tall amidst all the chaos that's going in the world, Aquarius. Very, very well done. I see that 2021 will change your life in many big ways. Um, I see that this is your year of coming. Coming, standing out, coming into your light, standing tall. You are completing a cycle, starting something new. 2021, theme of the year for Aquarius. Ooh, family. I do see this is your year for fulfillment, absolutely big time. And new starts, new start, Aquarius. It is a very, very powerful year. You have the 1, you have the 10. So 10 is about luck, 10 is about completion. The Wheel of Fortune is also 10. This is the 10 of Cups. Family. Some of you are going to start a family. Some of you are single. You are going to move into a family. Or I also feel that some of you are going to do something which is going to make you feel very fulfilled in your career, in your job. My God, this is your creativity, Aquarius. Woohoo! The world is to look for you. Yes, you are the one to watch out for. It's a very powerful year, and thank God, Aquarius. Thank God for that. You are shining bright. And look at that, 8 of Wands, things moving forward. This will be a quick year for you, Aquarius. Yes, I do feel this is a quick year. Things will be moving very, very quickly throughout the year. You will be starting many things this year. I also see some of you shifting, relocating towards the hills, to another country, to probably another city, Florida, Italy. I don't know where you are going, but I see you shifting your cities, locations, countries, shifting your profession. I also see that some of you are going to fall in love with yourself. And if Aquarius, some of you are from the same, into same sex, are you having gender issues? Because I do see the rainbow here, and it reminds me some of you are having some gender issues, or you want to come out. You are from the pride, you want to tell the world who you are. Yes, it will be a wonderful and a perfect year of you coming out, finding your soul family, finding your soul tribe. Well done, Aquarius. Well done. Who? I'm so. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, I'm stoked. And I do feel some of you are going to go for families, finding your soul family, meeting your soul tribe, making new friendships. Also, you are working on self love, friends. Big time, you are working Aquarius on self love. Congratulations. And the Saturn, Jupiter, many planets are moving into Aquarius. So I do see it will be a quick year for you, things moving fast. You will be starting many things, you will be coming out of many things. So let's see your love life, Aquarius. Love life of Aquarius for the year 2021. And interestingly, I'm doing this on the 1111 portal. So, oh my God, no wonder you are coming out into such amazing light, Aquarius. Your love life, Four of Pentacles, the world. Love life for Aquarius. Karma, the judgment. You are going to reap what you have sown. This is good. This is good, Aquarius. This is good. Ooh, I dropped a card. I'll pick it up. The Empress, the Hermit. I'm gonna keep it together. Aquarius, their love life in the year 2021. Ooh. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that card that I dropped. The card I dropped was the King of Swords. Let's see. I will take a clarify here. Wow. Aquarius, you are in for some major start in this year in 2021. I do feel, when you start this year, you are not very open to love, or you are not in the mood to socialize or make some friendships. You are, busy working, focusing on work. You are also focusing on your health, your finances. I also see that you are completing something or coming out of a cycle or a relationship at the start of the year. The first 2 to 3 months, you are focusing on yourself, on your work, on your business, or on your job, your money, your health. You are focusing on yourself. You are realizing how powerful and strong you are. I also feel you are dealing with the twin flame connection in the first initial months of January, February, March. I do see you dealing with a twin flame, someone who is in no contact with you, someone who is quite away from you, long distance. I do see this person isn't in contact with you. They are thinking about you, Aquarius. I don't know, will you stay there? Because I see you are in an antisocial mood when you start the year. Your priority is yourself. Your priority is, world things, humanitarian things, You are not waiting for anyone who keeps you waiting. Yes. Yeah, see? I do see someone is coming towards you, King of Cups. Yes, there will be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone has feelings for you, very deep feelings, but I don't know if they will come and propose you. They are there in the first 3 to 4 months of 2021, but I see that you are more focused on yourself, your health, your vitality, and not giving too much. You're not bothered too much about love, Aquarius, but as you move ahead in the year, yes, someone has hurt you. Someone has really done you wrong, Aquarius. That person is coming back. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do see this person has done you wrong. They owe you an apology. Maybe they kept you waiting here or in the past and they are coming back. But it will be tough for you, Aquarius, to trust this person. There is a lot of intense emotions between you and them. The intensity of this connection is superb. You feel their emotions, they feel you, you feel them. This is love, this is deep love. This is soulmate connection. This is a deep spiritual connection. But You will ask them some tough questions, Aquarius, because this person has kept you waiting. See, look at them. They are in their power. They are like, yeah, I'm waiting and watching, baby. And you are like, nope. If they come back, you are like, what now? Yeah, Seven of Wands. This person was defensive to you towards your love or towards the attraction they have for you. I feel this is a very intense, deep soulmate connection. They were defensive towards you, Aquarius, and now you're gonna teach them a lesson like, hey, why? Because they're sure gonna come back. They're sure gonna come back in 2021 in the second half. They're gonna come back, and you're gonna feel like, why now? But I do feel from from June, July, and August, things will be great for you because you are going to come into your power. You are going to be this empress. I do feel if you are married, this will be the time you might expect a baby, you might deliver a baby, or if you are the husband, your wife might get pregnant. I also see this is the time when you and this person are finally going to unite. The differences will melt, and the walls of defenses will come down, and love will shine. Look at this, the hermit and the empress. You both are extremely powerful. You both are like these Harry Potter characters. You both are extremely powerful. And not just that, look at this, wishes coming true. The star, this is a star crossed lovers. This is a star fated connection for you. You both are going to come into alignment, at around June, July, or June, July, August. But I feel you will be in love, or on and off with this person. But I see from June, July, things will be shifting for you dramatically in this connection. There will be a lot of love in this connection. Yes, look, if this person was avoiding you, they will finally come and, like, be yours forever. They will put their heart in your feet, Aquarius, so get ready. They're gonna tell you they can't live without you, yes. I also feel, but still, you still need to do some work at the end of the year also, Aquarius. Look at you. Your swords are up again. This person might break your heart, or some past issues are there, Some heartbreak may happen in 2021 again. Why? Let's see. Ten of Swords. I do feel, there is some past karmic issues between you and this new person or your current lover, or your twin flame. There is some past issues, and you both need to work, or I feel this issue is with your person, not with you, Aquarius. It feels like it is their energy. They keep going into these shadows. And look at you. You are like, I'm gonna slay all your shadows. Look at you. They are here. So this person has some shadows, some shadowy past, some health issues. I don't know what it is. Some things from the past. Maybe they have rejection issues. I don't know, commitment issues. You're gonna rip them apart. You are going to shine your light, Aquarius. And yes, I think earlier this person was trying to run away from you, but this time around in 2021 they are going to cooperate, and you both are going to find practical solutions to make this relationship work. Yes, because no one is going to leave this connection, Aquarius. So congratulations. The 10 of Cups is yours. The Ace of Cups is yours. I can see whole year this Ace of Cups, this brimming or overflowing love towards you. And at the end of the year, you will sit and talk with them. There may be some heartache, there may be some pain, but I see you coming out of it. I see you working through it. I also see you focusing on work, finding friends who can help you out to rise above any kind of heartache. I also see you end the year feeling very, very passionate, and you and your person might go on a trip at the end of 2021. You or your person might move in together. You might take a leap of faith. I do feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person might also be important to you at the end of the year. So some of you may walk out of a connection also, Aquarius, in 2021. It is for some of you, because there is this Three of Swords. If someone is still not ready to accept your help, or still not ready to accept, or they are still defensive, you might walk out and you may get this new love. My God, thoughts is happening for you, Aquarius. You're gonna be busy. Look at that. Eight of Wands. Busy, busy. Yeah, High Priestess. Look at that. This is your year, Aquarius. You will know exactly what to do, when to do, where to go. You are leading. You are leading. You are first focused on yourself, then on this person who is coming back. Then you're gonna be, having an amazing time with this person, settling down, making a family, starting something, a project, a creative thing. I do see they have a pattern which might come back. Some issues from the past may come back, but I do see you healing those issues and getting out of them. But some of you, Aquarius, might get frustrated. You might decide to leave because you are aqua babies. You don't wait. So yeah, at the end of the year, I suggest you to listen to your intuition and don't jump the gun, Aquarius. Yes. Be patient. New lovers are coming your way. Your twin flame, your soulmate is also there, and a new lover will also try to entice you. But the ultimate goal is someone who gives you a family. So yes, you want a family and it is coming your way, Aquarius. Let us see some advice for Aquarius for the year 2021. Then we're gonna look at the charms. Advice. Hope. Wow, this is brilliant. Trapped in fear, number 8. Eight of Swords. Yeah, you're feeling like your love life is not going to improve. You are feeling like if you say yes to love, people are going to leave you or disappoint you or hurt you. Remember, Aquarius, there is hope. Number 17, this is your number. Look at this. There is hope for you. There is not just hope, there are amazing things ahead for you in your love life. I want you to believe in it, Aquarius, because I see here that you are doubting. You may doubt. Do you deserve this Ten of Cups? Do you deserve this Ace of Cups? Yes, you do. Foundation and achievements. You are making things strong, In this year, you are laying some strong foundations for your relationships, and it is going to change your life. For years to come, your relationships will be rock solid. Look at that. Marriage is important. And again, the rainbow is here. So I don't know if rainbows are important. Maybe you will see a lot of rainbows. Look at this. Same. Two different decks. Cards are same. I definitely see you are going to attract someone which is very different or unique. Although Aquarius are very unique themselves, but I do see family, finding families, starting a family, moving into a new house, moving into a new relationship. It will scare you. Yes, it will be scary, but you can do it, Aquarius. If you can't do it, then who can? I don't know. Let's see your work and finances for 2021. Aquarius, their finances and career in 2021. The Five of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, the Page of Cups, and the Sun. I do see that when you start the year, you may feel like finances are a little slow, or you want money but it's not coming as much as you want, or you are not having a job, so you have some financial worries at the start, or in the first half of the year. There are some financial worries, but I do see you getting some job where you will be working a lot, overtime, overnight, over day. You are working all the time. I see this is your hard working year. You will be working a lot, Aquarius. Get ready. Money will come your way, but so will hard work. You have a lot of work ahead. I also feel some of you might move into a new business. You might start a business. You might start your own, something with your friends, like, you start your own band, you start your own textile shop, garment shop, with your friends, a boutique. I see you doing something with your friends, finding your community. And it will bring you success. You may not have a lot of money initially, but it will bring you some satisfaction, it will bring you some happiness. I also see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will help you in this, your work and career this year. I also feel that you will feel very emotional about your work and career and education. There will be highs, there will be lows, but you will feel very emotional. Also, the rest of the year, I think June is the month where things change for you, Aquarius. The sun will shine for you, things getting better for you. Look at this. Amazing success, fame. Also, I see that recognition is coming your way. If you are a student, you will be recognized. You will be, your skills, your personal gifts will shine, your divine skills, your divine gifts. I do see some of you will start singing or start working on designing, or on, singing, music, designing, automobiles. I don't know. There's a lot of work you are doing. Some of you might learn to do work with crystals, work with candle magic. So a lot of things. But money, yeah, money is a little tight in the beginning of the year, but I see it getting better because other things are coming. So you won't miss it. I also feel, Aquarius, if you are a student, you will have to work hard to achieve success. But if you do put in your hard work, you will be quite successful. I do see some of you are going to join that university that you want, or you are looking for some jobs, interviews to clear. Yes, or you want to join some big company. Yes, it will happen. But make sure to work hard. If you are not working hard, I don't see it happening for you, Aquarius. Three of Wands. You are moving. Expansion. Expansion is there. Some of you are going to change your locations. You will have to travel for work. You might also leave your homes for different cities, for work, for education. You're expanding. Your career is expanding, and there is hard work. When you are expanding things, money is slow because you are working so much, you don't even bother about it. But I do see money coming your way in the other half of the 2021. Let's see some advice and then we're gonna look at your charms. Yes. Advice for Aquarius for the year 2021. Wow, base chakra, your personal power is going to grow so much. You are going to grow in your personal power, and one is the number of destiny. Your destiny is shining bright. Some of you are going to change your career. Some of you are going to do something which you always thought or dreamed of, but you were scared to do. You are going to do it, Aquarius. I do see success coming your way. You might be scared of some things, of challenging yourself or growing out of your comfort zone, but you're gonna do it. Emotional withdrawal, Eight of Cups. I do feel, let me just clarify this. Conflict and despair. Conflict and I do feel, friends, maybe this year was not very easy for you, Aquarius, or even the beginning of the year might not be easy. So I would like to say that if you can make to the first initial months of the year 2021, you will actually do extremely well, but you will have to be strong in the first 2 to 3 months, or maybe the first half of the 2021, because you will feel very emotional about your life, about your work, your love, your life, about the world. You are very emotional. And also Five of Cups, Five of Swords. You may feel like life is testing you, life is testing you, life is challenging you, life is pushing you. Yes, But why? Because you are powerful, Aquarius. If you hold that ground and not give up, you're gonna have this Ace of Cups, you're gonna have this Ten of Cups, you're gonna have the Sun for you. Don't give, don't think that you can't do anything or you can't change your circumstances. Yes, triumph. Look at that. Number 7, the Chariot. You are going to get the success, but Aquarius, this success will come because life will test you initially. Life will test you, Aquarius, but if you stand strong and don't give up, you're gonna have your victory. And number 7 is a victory that is tough, that is earned. It is a victory that was given to you, if it is a victory at number 8, this is a number 7 victory. So number 7 is like, you don't know you will win or not. You had to go for that battle. But when you go for that battle without knowing, will you be able to win it or not? And you come out winning. That is a victory that you have earned. You have worked for it. You will be extremely successful. Just don't give up. Prosperity begins. Look at that. Ace of Wands. Things are going to things are going to be very, very good for you if you stand your ground and don't give up initially. Or even now. I feel this could be your now present energy also. That you want to give up. I'm like, no, I don't want to do this. It is tough. I keep getting stuck. So I don't want to do it. But keep going, don't give up, stay strong, push yourself. You will win, you will get the prosperity, you will get support also. This is big, Aquarius. Don't give up. And I'm glad I'm doing this now because I do feel you need this push right now. I didn't wanted to do these readings right now in 2021 readings, but I got that I had to do them, so I had to do them. When Spirit tells you to go, you have to listen to it. You can't do anything else. Let's see your charms. Now let's take some messages from Archangel Michael. And then oops, sorry. My bad. Archangel Michael, one message for the Aquarius for 2021. You created this situation and you have the power to change it. Yeah, you may feel a little stuck this year. But you know what? You have the power to change. You have the power to create anything. You have this Ace of Cups. You are the magician of your life, Aquarius. So go for it. Don't stop. Don't stop dreaming. Don't stop working for your dreams. You have the rainbow. Rainbows come after rain when the sun shines. So if it is raining, remember your rainbow is about to shine also. So go for it, friends. You created this situation and you have the power to change it. Anything else, Archangel Michael, for Aquarius? Make a commitment. Commit to something. Commit to something, Aquarius. Commit on not giving up on yourself. Commit to not giving up on love. Commit to finding a family, finding your soul tribe. Commit that no matter how dark or how testing things are, you will not give up. I'm with you. We are all with you. Magic Vence Tarot is with you. I'm an Aquarius. I know how challenging it can be. It's not easy. This world for us is not easy. We are different kind of people, right? I know how you feel. You have my empathy. I completely understand you. Make a commitment. Commit to yourself. Your commitment will be tested, but angels are working with you. You can change it. You can change it. You have the power. You are the magician. Let's see your charms. Aquarius. For the year 2021, for Aquarius. Oops. Okay. Lots of charms. Let's see. Ooh, P. O. M. K. So, Apple is important. Apple is about you taking care of your health. I do see that 2021 is your year, Aquarius, where you focus on yourself. It is important to take care of yourself, because if you are not taking care of yourself, you might feel, you are busy. This is a busy year for you. So, health, yourself, taking care of your health, your heart, your emotional, mental health is very important. Alphabets are P, O, M, and K. P, O, K, P, O, M, P, M, O. So, yeah, let's see if you can make anything out of that. Om could be a name, OP could be a name, OK could be a name, okay. Number one, this is your year to come into your power. You are going to meet face to face with your power, Aquarius. Get ready. Number one, the month of January might be important, or the 10th of the month, the October month might be important. You have so many charms. Let's see one by one. Money, yes, money is coming your way. Don't worry. Even if money is slow at times, don't worry. You have the Wheel of Fortune. This is also a twin flame charm. So yes, missing pieces will be filled. You have the wedding ring. And look, this just doesn't want to come out. The wedding ring with intuition, yes, you are going to achieve it. That commitment you are looking for, it is going to happen. I do see there is a commitment that you thought, or you are dreaming forever for, that wedding, that love relationship you are dreaming every day from years to have it. You will have it in 2021, and your intuition will guide you. Teacup, yes, I do see that some of you will be making some new friends this year. So you have so many charms. Let's see. Owl, you will be your focus will be on learning things, learning new things, applying them, using your wisdom. You also have the happy couch, the couple couch, the love couch. I do see some of you getting married, and if you are already married, things will be getting better. The boot is here, the running shoe. Shoe is like you'll be busy, friends. It's a busy 8 of Wands. It's a busy year for you. Get ready. Buy some new shoes. Maybe I see that you might need it. Some extra pair of shoes. You're on your toes all the time. And if you have some, you might have to be careful not to have a toe injury or, feet injury or something. I keep getting that also. So buy some good quality shoes. Invest. A good quality shoe investment is never bad. It may hurt your pocket, but it's always good. Prosperity, Lord Ganesha is watching over you. Yes, you are very lucky. The fish, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, important for you. Luck, you are extremely lucky this year. You also have this, Spider-Man or Robin. The superhero is here. I do see a superhero is coming for you, or a superheroine is coming for you. I also see you are the hero of some people's life, or you are going to really, you are going to... I don't think so, Aquarius. You have set these big dreams, but you will achieve them. Destiny has set a big goal for you, Aquarius. Get ready. You are going to achieve it. You are going to achieve it. Lion, your personal power is going to increase. Your destiny is going to shine. You also have the sword of truth, the sword of light. So communications are important. Tree of life, family is very important. Twin flame connections are also important. You have the leaf. Let go of the past. Let go of things which are hurting you. Let go. Oh, you have 2 owls. You have the silver and the black owl. So things may look a bit black and white to you this year, but I would suggest you to, look at things in a more rainbow colored way. Things may be a little black or white to you, good and bad, but it's okay to relax your perception sometimes. Starfish, wishes coming true. You also have weed. I see you will be on another high this year. This is your year which you are working, doing things. You are on a high. I do see you drinking a lot of coffee or tea to keep yourself energized, or working out. This is a busy year for you, Aquarius. Get ready. And this is the bottle. Let's see what's on the bottle. It is the bottle of love. So I do see some celebrations, some champagnes, some champagne openings for you, some celebration, some victory in love. Let's see. Eagle, yeah. Look at things from the higher perspective. Your eagle is your charm or totem protecting you the whole of the year. Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands, I think. Yeah, Nine of Wands. You're very close to achieving your goals. You're very close. Five of here. Yeah, someone has you have trust issues, Aquarius. Someone has left you. People have abused your trust. That person could be coming back. Your ex could be coming back. The toxic, or maybe the ex who keeps coming in and out of your life. They're gonna come back. Aries, Leo, Sag person is important to you this year. The Five of Wands, yes. I do see a five is the energy. Five of here, Five of Wands. A lot of things are changing. Transformations will happen in your relationships. There will be also power struggles, ego struggles in your relationships, but you have to be patient, Aquarius. You have to be patient. Neptune, see, Neptune, things are, Neptune, things are a little confusing. And we had that card. Where is it? You see? Trapped in fear. You are confused. We had another one. Emotional withdrawal. You don't know what to do. Conflict and defeat. You are feeling tired, but you get triumphant after that. So, yeah, things will be a little confusing to you. You may doubt yourself, or you may doubt another person's integrity, whether they love you or not. But I do see that if you are patient, Aquarius, you're gonna win. Time, yes, time is the essence for you. Time is very important for you, Aquarius. Things will happen in divine timing. The Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important. A younger Aries, Leo, Sag. And a soulmate. I do feel a very powerful soulmate connection is coming your way. And this is going to change your life. This is your year. You are going to have this Ten of Cups of happiness, this Ace of Cups of love. This is a powerful year. Your destiny is shining. You are connecting with your personal power, Aquarius. So much good luck ahead and a very happy year for you. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also save this reading because I do feel you are going to need it throughout the year. So save it. You can add it in your download options and you can watch it again. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.